So here it is, my PlayForever UFO, basically Lamborghini Countach. Been waiting 2 weeks maybe for this to arrive, but it's here. I haven't taken it out of the box. I got a sneak peek into the front and the back, and I'm gonna take it out now. Seems to be pretty well packaged in like styrofoam bit. Feels very high premium as I'm pulling it out. Ta-da! Here it is. It's got a little bit of heft to it. I think based on other reviews I was expecting a bit more heft, but it definitely feels sturdy, feels nice. It's painted very well, looks good. The wheels roll. They don't turn or anything. There's a little guy driver with a helmet on the inside. No windows or glass, but it feels nice. Here's what the bottom looks like. And side, front, rear. Pretty cool. It rolls nicely along my table. I'll show you. Well, there we go. Rolling nicely. And yeah, pretty pleased. Will this be the first of a larger collection? Don't know yet, but this will be a nice display on my desk, so happy there. And that is the PlayForever UFO in this nice blue color. So if you want to know more, let me know. Thanks. Bye. Just wanted to quickly add that this product is primarily, ideally, I guess, for children. The box says age 3 and up. It definitely, doesn't have like a choking hazard or anything, as it's just one big piece. And I think children would absolutely love this. If you have a car kid at home, he would love this rolling around. I mean, he can be really rough with it and drop it and press really hard on it, and it's not gonna break. It's very, very sturdy. If you have a few of them, he could pretend he has his own garage or play bumper cars or just whatever. So if you, can afford it and get a few of these for your child, they're very likely gonna love it. And I know that's the primary person that this is made for, so I do recommend it. It's a little expensive, $55 a piece, but again, that's not a lot of money to some people, and it will last forever. It could be a toy that your child carries with him for his entire life. So yeah, just wanted to add that little addendum. For me, I'm going to hold on to it, and hold on to it as long as I can as a display, maybe roll it around every once in a while. I'm going to try to keep it pristine for me, but again, a kid can be super rough with it, enjoy it to the max, and it's going to last. I don't see this thing breaking anytime soon, so those are my thoughts. Thanks.